And the National Integrity Action is urging the government to move quickly to appoint the commissioners of the Integrity Commission and establish the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA as an independent body. The MOCA Act has been passed in the lower house and is now before the Senate.
To ensure that they are led by persons of impeccable integrity, provided with adequate resources, and absolutely free from political interference, thereby enabling these and other bodies to challenge more effectively the continued impunity in this country of the well-connected.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck reiterated that the Auditor General will be a commissioner of the Integrity Commission.
To the best of my knowledge, there will be at least 2 retired judges, Court of Appeal judges, my recollection, and 2 other persons of high integrity. It has been on my desk for the past 2 weeks, the notice to bring the act into operation. I just need to put in a date. But I can't do that until the Governor General announces the 5 commissioners. I did get the feeling that it would have been done this week, and that is in short order.